Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you how I achieved this cut crease look right here. I went ahead and did this eye off of camera. So the one that I did on camera was this eye, because I only have two eyes. Anyway, so yeah, make sure to subscribe if you are not subscribed already. And if you want to see how I achieved this cut crease look right here, then just keep on watching.
Alright, hey guys, so I'm just gonna zoom in really quickly so you guys can get a better look. And I already have tape on my eye, that way the look looks very sharp. And we are using the Huda Beauty palette today. I love this palette, it's so beautiful, as I probably mentioned in the video. So I'm picking up amber first, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over my crease. And I'm just gonna pick up a Morphe blending brush. Sorry, that's upside down. I think most of the brushes in this video are upside down, so I am sorry about that. But again, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all over my crease. Just a heads up, in some parts of the video I will be fast forwarding, just because you can kind of get the gist of it of what I'm doing, and that way you're not like just watching a full 20-minute video. But yeah, here in this clip I'm just readjusting the tape because I kind of felt like it was like uneven, so I went ahead and tried to fix it, which is okay I guess, because I hadn't done much eyeshadow yet, versus if I had already done like 2 or 3 colors, then I'm kind of screwed. But since I had just started, I went ahead and just fixed it right then and there. But again, I'm just adding a little bit more color right there, trying to make it kind of even. And I'm pretty much doing this color, like I started this color all the way from like the edge of my crease, like really close to my eyebrow, and I'm bringing it all the way in to the inner corner of my eye. Alright, so going in with blazing now, I'm going to go ahead and put that pretty much right over the other color I just put down. I always like to start with a softer color and then go in with a dark color, just because it'll help with the transition. And you'll kind of see me look back and forth, just because I want to make sure it looks even and have the same amount of eyeshadow on each eye. That way I don't look crazy. But again, I'm just blending that in. I'm using the same brush, by the way, just again because I did put it over that other color. Here I'm picking up a more defined brush. Again, this is Morphe, and this is RG18 brush. I got it in my monthly subscription. But anyway, I went ahead and picked up, what was that red color? Let me see. It's called Saffron. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put that right under the blazing color that I just put down previously. And I went ahead and picked up like a smaller brush, that way it's easier to apply and be more precise. I'm just gonna put that right over my crease, and I'm also gonna blend that all the way into my inner corner. And once you have it all blended out, I went ahead and picked up a little bit more, because again, I'm going back and forth just to make sure it looks even. So I picked up a little bit more and tapped off the excess. And then I always like to put most of the product on the outer corner and then kind of work my way in. That way it doesn't look too harsh. So once that's all blended out, I went ahead and went back with my original blending brush that I went in and put the first 2 colors down, and I'm just going back to blend out the edges, that way it doesn't look harsh. And then now I'm picking up this Japanese brush. It's like a pencil, I don't even know, it's like a really small defined brush. This is what I like to use to cut my crease, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up some Tarte Shape Tape and go ahead and start cutting my crease. I like to start with this brush, and then I'll go in with like a flat shader brush and fill it in, but this kind of helps me outline it first. And I'm just picking up some more product. When I do that, I'm just kind of like taking off the excess concealer. That way that the tip is like super precise. And then I'll go back in there I think Real Techniques has a brush just like this, honestly, because I think I have one in my collection. I just prefer the Japanese brush a little bit more. It's just so precise. And you kind of see I start to struggle a little bit right here because I looked up at the camera, so I messed up that there, and then I tried to go back in. So it's okay. I went ahead and left that clip in there just because it happens, and so I ended up fixing it. It's no problem. It looks kind of messy right now, but as we get a little bit further into the video, we kind of see how I just kind of clean it up. So really where I kind of messed up was just right there. So I just take a cotton tip and I kind of just take off the concealer, and like it's pretty much gone. I go in later and just put a little bit more eyeshadow on that area, but it's fine, honestly. Like once you have eyeshadow down there and it's all blended out, you can't even notice that. So I'm just gonna go back with some concealer right there and try to fix that really quickly. Once you have your outline done, then like I said, I go back in with a flat shader brush. So that's the MAC 242, and I just pick up some more concealer, and this way it's faster. I'm just filling it in pretty much. Again, I just use that small brush to do that kind of outline, and then I go in with this, and voila. So once that's all done, I am just gonna go ahead and take a quick singing break. Can you guys guess what I'm singing here? If you think you know what I'm singing, or if you guess what I'm singing, put it in the comment section down below, and I'll tell you if you're right or not. Alright, for the lip color, I'm taking Celestial and Nefertiti? I don't know. Anyway, I'm using my MAC 242 brush, and I am just pretty much packing both of them on my lid. I end up going in with my finger because I feel like just the shadows in this palette, they work better if you use your finger. So I'm pretty much adding those colors onto the main part of my lid. Once I get close to the crease, then I'll go in with a brush because obviously like I don't want to get it too messy. And right here, I'm just showing you the song I'm currently listening to. That is La Modelo with Ozuna featuring Cardi B. And dude, that's like one of my favorite songs right now. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take a pencil brush. This is a Morphe M321 brush. I'm not sure what was wrong with it. It's like lopsided? I don't know. But anyway, I'm taking more of that saffron color, which is like the red color. And I'm just adding a little bit more to the crease to kind of define it a little bit more. Kind of clean it up right there. And just blending it out. And now using a Morphe M213 brush, I'm going to pick up this matte eyeshadow Desert Sand, and I'm going to go ahead and use that to highlight my brow bone. After that, I'm just going to go ahead and prep my lashes so I can curl them, put mascara, and add lashes. This is the House of Lashes glue. And the lashes I'm using today are the Intoxicating Lashes by Fleur Lashes. And that is just a Marc Jacobs eyeliner. It's like a mini one. I think I got it like on a sample, or maybe with like points. I don't remember, but I love his eyeliners, their eyeliners, whatever. That is just the Colossal Big Shot Mascara by Maybelline. And just put it on my lashes right here. And you will notice that in this clip I actually have concealer already because I wanted to mainly focus this video on my eyeshadow, so that's why I don't show those clips. But here I just picked up black eyeshadow on a flat definer brush to cover my lash line because I hate when you can see it. And then that's a pencil brush picking up Saffron and Blazing, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out on my lower lash line. I just feel like when you're doing an intense look, or just anytime, you definitely want to like blend some eyeshadow on your lower lash line. It just helps your look like come together. It's just so beautiful. But yeah, I'll do this. I'll do some eyeliner, same products that I used before, same mascara. I always just do these three, like my lower lash line I always leave till after I have concealer and powder down. It's just the way I like to do it. And then this is just another pencil brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick up Citrine from the brand Jouer, and this is actually a highlight, and it's a highlight that I end up using in this look, but I also use it as my inner corner highlight. It just looks really, really pretty. It makes your eyes pop, you look more awake. It's just really, I love doing the inner corner highlight.
Alright guys, that is it for this makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Let me know what you use to cut your crease. If there's any particular brush that you like to use, because trust me, I'll go out and buy it. I'm super into cut creases lately. And you can, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that I've been posting looks here and there because I really, really like cut creases. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.